Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to create index column in Power Query. Okay, so I have a table here with single column, numbers are there. So I want to create a index column. Okay, then go to add column, right? Go to add column and here index column is there. So click on this and if you press from 0, then your index column will be created from 0 like this. Okay. If you want to create index column from 1, then create from 1. Click on this one, second button from 1. Then from 1, index column will be get created. Okay. If you want to create index column from any other number, then you have to click on custom. Okay. Then starting index and increment you can give. So starting index, let's say I want to create from 5, okay, and increment 1, then it will create index column from 5 with increments 1, okay. For example, you want to create index column with starting number 3 and increment 2, then with the difference of 2, it will create index column. Okay, guys. So many ways you can create index column. Index column will be created in different ways according to your requirement. Okay. We have three options. One is from 0, one is from 1, other one is custom. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Power Query videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.